there's an organization called CME who does derivatives on all sorts of assets, including Bitcoin. They were one of the first to offer Bitcoin, actually. The problem with the way CME works is it's very TradFi. They shut down on Friday afternoon and then open back, I think, like Sunday evening. So say the price is at 70,000 on Friday night, and then during the weekend, Trump says, I'm getting rid of all tariffs. Then suddenly the price pumps to 85 grand. Then in the morning of Monday, the CME price is suddenly way off. So it just gaps up to the 85 grand. Here's an example of a gap, and this is a recent one. Where that yellow arrow is pointing to is early February sometime, where the price dumped during the weekend, and then we sort of gapped down. And this is like a $6,800 gap. Now, an interesting thing with the CME gaps is there's this theory in the crypto world that the gap will always be filled. And so back in the day, this was a very highly traded mechanism. If you ever saw a CME gap, the price would always make its way back up. It's an interesting stat because there's no basis in reality in that there's no reason why the price has to go back up there. But for some reason, in something like 97% of cases, it always goes back and fills up that gap. Okay. Which is weird, right? And so because it is so predictable, people use that as a clear trading signal, right? But because the CME is now going to allow trading during the weekend, gaps aren't going to happen anymore.